settings of the TV at the end of the video.
Dele Alli, Jun-Min Son, and Toby Alderweireld in their starting 11. Juventus versus Tottenham Hotspur, a fixture many even in his kind of area. Jun-Min Son for Spurs. And can't sneak it in
terms of form from that moment on.
Into Mandzukic, great ball, and he directed it to the corner. And those two working again. 4-on-3 here for Spurs. Son, well laid off, and Buffon makes a fine save. He's carried in by Eric Lamela. Troy Parrott denied on the first attempt, but Lamela was there to beat Buffon. Spurs have been the better team, and on the half hour they lead Juventus. The foul to me on the edge of the penalty area. We play on.
I believe it was.
And Pjanic, Higuain. Oh, well worked, Gonzalo Higuain knows it, and he is a true finisher, and he's done it against Tottenham Hotspur before in the Juventus shirt. The man back from Chelsea has made it Juventus 1. D'Silio up against Walker Peters. A good cut back, and it's deflected into the net, and Ronaldo has his goal, and Juventus have turned this around. They now lead by 2 goals to 1, and there is the iconic celebration of Cristiano Ronaldo. She's out to win the ball in the Juve half, and what a pass for Lucas Moura. He's assisted the equaliser. Spurs are back level against Juventus. Great work by Ndombele, and Lucas Moura has stabbed it into the net. What an immediate impact. And brilliant work again by Walker Peters.
Boy, he was excellent in terms of his hold-up play. I can see him being there was an opportunity here.
Kane, what a goal! What a goal to win it! Szczesny's caught out. Harry Kane has scored the goal of this tournament. That is extraordinary. Tottenham Hotspur 3, Juventus 2. How did he come up with that? Very special indeed. That is it. Tottenham Hotspur have won their first game of pre-season in the most extraordinary style.
Okay, so just a quick one. Oh, stop that there. So now that's stopped, just going to look at the picture settings so we can all see them together. So onto the settings. Advanced. So I haven't done the personalised picture wizard. I don't know if that was the problem before. So I factory reset the TV, and I don't know if someone else had applied that picture wizard before. It's where you pick a load of pictures and the algorithms work out picture settings for you. So that's just standard picture settings out of the box. And we can see their brightness and down to their eco settings are all off as well, and that's the colour. So they're all default and reset. Energy saving. Okay, so auto power, energy saving step, that's all off. Otherwise that can dim the picture as well with the ambient light. Anyway, that's that. Just to quickly look at the picture settings now we're done. So picture is standard, I haven't changed anything there on standard, so that's how it is, the defaults for the standard. And the problem I think I had before, if I come out of there, go down to general, power and energy saving, is I had an issue with the brightness optimization, so I've changed the TV. Because if you turn that on, that's using the ambient light to adjust the brightness of the TV. And I don't know why I couldn't turn it off before. but it's off and it stayed off because I know when I turn the light on or off, picture remains the same. So that is it. So I'll delete the old video because it wasn't a fair comparison, replace it with this one, and we're good to go.